going on, guys? Let's go over the reason why price action could be slowing down a little bit on the smaller time frame, okay, when it looks like there's room to kind of go, right? So we're looking for that continuation, that high of day break, keep pushing higher. But if you zoom out and you kind of look at the overall picture, what I have pulled up here is a daily chart. You can see we're coming into supply here, and I got the big chart pulled up so that way we can see kind of everything that's going on. But we're coming into this linear regression channel, okay? So it's the middle channel. We have a channel line here. Let me kind of just show you guys. We have a linear regression channel here. We have the upper channel here. We have a lower channel here, okay? So you can see as it comes to this linear regression indicator, supply and demand zones, we are right in the middle of the range, okay? So that's one thing. So let's keep that in mind as well. We also have a declining Bollinger Band, okay? So this is gonna act as pressure coming down, okay? That's two. But if you kind of go to the left, go to the beginning of last month, notice how when we put in this high here, 18,709, and then we kind of just faded back into this 50-day moving average. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. That was very, very choppy, okay? So very, very choppy in this range. Take this off. Here, 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 before finally losing the linear regression and the 50-day moving average. And that caused a selling leg to go all the way down to the next bottom linear regression and this 200, right? So if you notice where we're at now, right? Can it go higher? Sure, it can push a little bit higher. We have a little bit more room here. On the smaller time frames, the hourly time frame, the 5-minute time frame still has room. But you're just getting a little bit of pressure from this range, okay? From this range. Notice the range where we were in this distribution pattern, right? So when you have a lot of buyers and sellers here, this was a previous area that was acting as support, and once broken is now going to act as a current level of resistance. Does that make sense? So in order for us to really see some type of momentum on either side, what you're going to want to see is us to close over the linear regression and Bollinger Band. This Bollinger Band will move a little bit, so I'm not too concerned about that. But close over this linear regression, go sideways, right? And then confirm that close over the linear regression for our next leg up. And then we would be trying to target this range in here, which was a previous area of resistance. Make sense? So when you're looking for your scalps, you're looking for your day trades, and you start to see patterns start to fail, right? For example, on a 5-minute time frame, when you see us start to fail, or you see us start to go sideways, it's a good thing. The longer we go sideways, okay, the bigger the move is coming out or coming down to the bottom. Okay, makes sense? So still, the benefit of the doubt is still going to the bulls. The uptrend is still intact, right? We have room to push into 18,271 on a Bollinger Band. We have room to push into 18,263, which is the high here, right? So if we can get over this level, right, on a 5-minute time frame, let's see this level get broken. Let's see this area get back tested, and then let's see that new high get taken out for more continuation. Now, again, the market is only up 63 points today. So this is nothing, 0.35%. The market can still definitely choose to run. It can also break down as well, right? So if we do, start to lose this 20-period moving average and we lose this uptrend, you might have a little bit of a short position to come down here into 18,229. I hope this video helps you guys.